Hello and welcome to video lesson number 3 for Stocks to Trade. Today is Sunday, February 21st, 2016 and it is currently 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. What we're going to go over today is essentially how to perform searches over the weekend or during off-market hours such as it is right now. So as you can see on the bottom here it says market closed and essentially there's no real-time data coming in. Let's start by adding top percent gainers sidebar widget. So we're going to do this by clicking on top scans, top percent gainers. As you can see, it is currently empty. And this is due to the fact that there is no real-time data coming in and that the markets are currently closed. Let's also create a new watch list and see exactly what happens with that as well. That creates the new watch list. Let's expand by simply dragging the bottom edge and being able to view everything. And what we're going to do, and as we've seen through the previous two video lessons, we're gonna basically add all our watch list in bulk. So what we're gonna do is select everything and then simply click copy, select paste on the input field and then press enter. All the tickers, all the symbols have been added to our list essentially based on our actual list. And as you can see, all the values are currently zeroed out for percent change and volume. And this is due to the fact that at midnight every day our servers actually reset the values to 0 in order to be able to prepare for the next day values. So once the real-time data starts coming in, which will happen on Monday around 4 or 5 in the morning, then these values will start changing. Now, the way you can actually see or filter the data that was available on the last day of trading, which in our case is Friday the 19th of February, is by going to the previous day checkbox at the bottom right of the application and simply ticking it. Once you do this, you will see all the data for the previous day appearing on top percent gainers as well as the watch list, and this is also applicable to any of the scanners that are available throughout the application. What we're going to do is take a look at our favorite scan. Essentially biggest percent gainers $20 and under. As you can see right now, there are currently no results, essentially because the previous data or the previous day checkbox is currently unticked. Now once we tick this specific value, you will see all the matching stocks appear on the list. Over here, let's expand this a little bit to have a better view. So all the stocks matching our biggest percent gainers will appear here. My current filters are set to a minimum of $1 for the last price. So if we take a look, the minimum here is $1. Now we can adjust these filter results to pretty much anything that we wish to see, and essentially display whatever was happening on the last day of trading. So for example, if we wish to look for stocks that are between $1 and $12, actually let's be more specific, 12.73, with a volume of at least 200,000 shares and a maximum of 100 trades. We click filter now. As you can see, the result, the number of found results has changed from 900 odd to about 360, actually exactly 360 results. You can take a quick look over here. Number of trades, the minimum amount you have is 112 and the lowest volume is 200,000 if we sort by volume. Let's order by percent change descending, and you can see here the biggest percent gainer actually was FSAM. Let's take a quick look, and so we can take a look at the chart that is currently available for FSAM, and actually there are news that came out today, February 21st at 11 this morning, appears right over here, available from Seeking Alpha. You will also notice that the basics, level 2 and time and sales are empty, and this is due to the fact there is currently no real-time data available for these or any stock whatsoever. So these will be empty during off-market hours and will start getting populated at the time that we start receiving the data for these specific stocks. And this essentially allows you to perform any type of filtering on off-market data. So anything from the previous day will allow you to actually build a list for your next trading day based on the information that was available then. And this also includes news, SEC filings, anything that was previously available, you will be able to see it. So if we open FSAM again, for example, You will see there are news over here that came out today. You can also see the last news that were received on the last trading day on Friday. You can take a look at the SEC filings as well. So these came out on the 19th on Friday. You can take a look at all previous SEC filings as far as you want by loading more. And this allows you to perform any type of research that you may need to perform during off-market hours, and look and prepare your watch list for the next day. This pretty much concludes our video lesson for today. Thank you for watching.